सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करभावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ So I have sent already. We have done about 2-3 songs, 3-4-5 songs we have done. We have done Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami. Then we have done Vandeham Sharadam. Then Hey Govinda, Hey Gopala, Uddharamam Ativinam Balahinam. Then we did Dakshina Murte Amurte. And then we did Tejare Bhava Bhaya Tapam. Okay. So the last song, I do not know whether I could communicate properly. Explanation was complete or not, I do not know. If anybody wants any confirmation about anything or anything to be corrected or anything, any particular thing which you want, where there is any doubt or something. Yeah.
A suggestion that now today, Swamiji, can you do all the bhajans, whatever you have been doing, so that it can be recorded in one particular this thing?
Okay, you want to do recording?
Yeah.
Okay, first I'll start from Mahaganapatim. Is that right?
Yes. So okay. we won't say you just continue, Swamiji.
Okay, whatever recording I did for you, was that not
yes, very
useful?
Good. That's good. That's very
okay.
good. But this, because for the website, we are going to leave it there,
Okay. So you want me to do only songs today?
Whatever you have done, then you're going to teach us, something else.
Okay. I hope so. Hopefully, if we have time.
Oh.
I'll just join you. It's just one moment. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Do you think that'll be a good idea to have all in one, What do you say?
Swaminiyamma, please tell me whether you are able to hear the Shruti at the background.
No, here we can't hear. For me, I can't hear. No.
Okay.
Should I hear?
Yeah, if you can hear it and if you can tell me that you are hearing, then it is okay. If not, doesn't matter really. It is only for me to remain in one track. Okay. So I'll sing first Mahaganapatim. This was done way back in 1977. And the ragam is Hamsadhvani. The talam is Adi talam, that is 8-beat rhythm. The original raga is Hamsadhvani, the first one. So that's what I'm going to give you now. The other raga, which is another raga, that Tilang raga, that we will share later on. So whichever I can do, I will do. Okay, as much as I can do, I will do for you. Mahaganapatim manasa smarami. Mahaganapatim manasa smarami. Mahadeva mudam shirasa namami. Mahadeva mudam shirasa namami. Mahaganapatim
मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि मातंगाननं मातंगाननं माहेश्वरं हरं मातंगाननं माहेश्वरं हरं मातंगाननो माहेश्वरो हरं मातंगाननो माहेश्वरो हरं मातंगाननो माहेश्वरो हरं तापत्रययुत भवरोगभैषजं तापत्रययुत भवरोगभैषजो महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि शतकोटि विघ्न परिहार चरणं शतकोटि विघ्न परिहार चरणं शान्त्यादि सर्व कल्याण गुणदं शान्त्यादि सर्व कल्याण गुणदं शतकोटि विघ्न परिहार चरणं शतकोटि विघ्न परिहार चरणं शतकोटि विघ्न परिहार चरणं शान्त्यादि सर्व कल्याण गुणदं प्रदातरो निखिल लोक गं शिवं प्रदातरो निखिल लोक गं शिवं परो पदं प्रदं प्रततं परं पदं प्रदं प्रततो महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि ब्रह्माण्डान्तर्गतभूतस्थं ब्रह्माण्डान्तर्गतभूतस्थं यजुरादिवेदशिखरस्थं ब्रह्माण्डान्तर्गतभूतस्थं यजुरादिवेदशिखरस्थं नितान्तशुद्धान्तःकरणस्थं प्रशस्तं सतस्तं समस्तं नितान्तशुद्धान्तःकरणस्थं प्रशस्तं तटस्थं समस्तं तं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि ब्रह्माण्डान्तर्गतभूतस्थं यजुरादिवेदशिखरस्थं ब्रह्माण्डान्तर्गतभूतस्थं यजुरादिवेदशिखरस्थं नितान्तशुद्धान्तःकरणस्थं प्रशस्तं तटस्थं समस्तं नितान्तशुद्धान्तःकरणस्थं प्रशस्तं तटस्थं समस्तं तं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो शिरसा नमामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महादेवमुदो नमामि महागणपतिं 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 मनसा स्मरामि वन्देऽहं शारदां वन्देऽहं शारदां विशारदां ज्ञानदां वरदां वन्देऽहं शारदां विशारदां ज्ञानदां वरदां वन्देऽहं शारदां शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपिणीं स्वच्छ हृदय निवासिनीं शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपिणीं स्वच्छ हृदय निवासिनीं स्वप्रकाश रूपिणीं स्वप्रकाश रूपिणीं शुद्ध सत्व स्वरूपिणीं स्वच्छ हृदय निवासिनीं स्वप्रकाश रूपिणीं स्वप्रकाश रूपिणीं वन्देऽहं शारदां विशारदां ज्ञानदां वरदां वन्देऽहं शारदां परापर विद्या भूषितां सुरवर सुजन सेवितां परापर विद्या भूषितां सुरवर सुजन सेवितां शुभदां सुलभां सुस्वरवाद्यनिरतां शुभदां सुलभां सुस्वरवाद्यनिरतां वन्देऽहं शारदां परापर विद्या भूषितां सुरवर सुजन सेवितां शुभदां सुलभां सुस्वरवाद्यनिरतां वन्देऽहं शारदां विशारदां ज्ञानदां वरदां वन्देऽहं शारदां वन्देऽहं शारदां वन्देऽहं शारदां वन्देऽहं शारदां वन्देऽहं शारदां just a pause. त्यज रे भव भयतापम त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं गुरु राजं विराजं गुरु राजं विराजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं विराजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं विराजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम त्यज रे भव भयतापम भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं अपि चेदसि त्वं पापकृत्तमः अपि चेदसि त्वं पापकृत्तमः सर्वो व्रजेनो सन्तरिष्यसि त्वं सर्वो व्रजेनो सन्तरिष्यसि त्वम् अपि चेदसि त्वं पापकृत्तमः अपि चेदसि त्वं पापकृत्तमः सर्वो व्रजेनो सन्तरिष्यसि त्वं सर्वो व्रजेनो सन्तरिष्यसि त्वं त्यज रे भव भयतापम् भज रे ब्रज जन मन सुभाजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं गुरु राजं विराजं त्यज रे भव भयतापम् इदं शरीरं क्षेत्रं हि वेद्धि इदं शरीरं क्षेत्रं हि वेद्धि क्षेत्रो यो वेत्ति सर्वेषु क्षेत्रेषु क्षेत्रं यो वेत्ति सर्वेषु क्षेत्रेषु स हि परमात्मा अहमिति पश्य स हि परमात्मा अहमिति पश्य समाहितो भूत्वा समाहितो भूत्वा समाहितो भूत्वा त्यज रे भव भयतापम् इदं शरीरं क्षेत्रं हि वेद्धि इदं शरीरं क्षेत्रं हि वेद्धि क्षेत्रो यो वेत्ति सर्वेषु क्षेत्रेषु क्षेत्रं यो वेत्ति सर्वेषु क्षेत्रेषु स हि परमात्मा अहमिति पश्य स हि परमात्मा अहमिति पश्य समाहितो भूत्वा त्यजरे भवभयतापम् भजरे ब्रजजन मन सुभाजो गुरुराजो विराजो त्यजरे भवभयतापम् त्यजरे भवभयतापम् त्यजरे भवभयतापम् I'll take Dakshinamurti now. Dakshinamurte Amurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte
Swamiji, can do louder, please?
Sanakadi Munijana. One moment. I've got 80% volume. I'll make it 100. No problem. Let us see.
Oh, it's very soft here.
Very soft. Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Should I change the Shruti then?
No,
I kept this Shruti because of all ladies. That is why I kept this Shruti.
Okay, so
They can follow. That is why I kept this. But if you want, I can sing differently.
no,
Slightly higher.
you just do as you're doing, Swamiji.
Okay. Dakshinamurte Amurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Agamasara Paripurnatma Jignasu Manugata Murte Agamasara Paripurnatma Jignasu Manugata Murte Dakshinamurte Amurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Sanakadi Munijana Pratpurte Dakshinamurte Amurte Prasiddha Hridesha Adhihe Brahma Prasiddha Hridesha Adhihe Brahma Prasiddha Hridesha Adhihe Brahma Prasiddha Hridesha Adhihe Brahma त्यक्त सर्वं युक्तात्मानो त्यक्त सर्वं युक्तात्मानो त्वच्चरणागतं माम् त्वच्चरणागतं माम् त्वच्चरणागतं माम् प्रसीद हृदीश अधिः ब्रह्म प्रसीद हृदीश अधिः ब्रह्म त्यक्त सर्वं युक्तात्मानो त्यक्त सर्वं युक्तात्मानो त्वच्चरणागतं माम् त्वच्चरणागतं माम् त्वच्चरणागतं माम् दक्षिणामूर्ते अमूर्ते सनकादिमुनिजन हृत्मूर्ते दक्षिणामूर्ते अमूर्ते सनकादिमुनिजन हृत्मूर्ते दक्षिणामूर्ते अमूर्ते 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 I have to do the other one. Hey Gopal, hey Govinda, hey Gopal. I just change the Shruti and come. हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे गोविंद हे गोपाल उद्धर मां दीनं अतिदीनं बलहीनं उद्धर मां दीनं अतिदीनं बलहीनं हे गोविंद हे गोपाल उद्धर मां दीनं अतिदीनं बलहीनं उद्धर मां दीनं अतिदीनं बलहीनं हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे गोविंद हे गोपाल उद्धर मां दीनं अतिदीनं बलहीनं हे गोविंद हे गोपाल विहित विहीनं विपर्यय ज्ञानं विहित विहीनं विपर्यय ज्ञानं संचित सर्व कलुष कलापं संचित सर्व कलुषकलापम विहित विहीनो विपर्यय ज्ञानम विहित विहीनो विपर्यय ज्ञानम संचित सर्व कलुषकलापम संचित सर्व कलुषकलापम हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे गोविंद हे गोपाल उद्धर मां दीनम अतिदीनम बलहीनम हे गोविंद हे गोपाल वेदम न जाने वेदम न जाने वेद्यम न जाने वेदं न जाने वेद्यं न जाने ध्यानं न जाने ध्येयं न जाने ध्यानं न जाने ध्येयं न जाने वेदं न जाने वेद्यं न जाने ध्यानो न जाने ध्येयं न जाने मंत्रों न जाने तंत्रों न जाने मंत्रों न जाने तंत्रों न जाने पद्यं न जाने गद्यं न जाने पद्यं न जाने गद्यं न जाने हे गोविंद हे गोपाल उद्धर मां दीनो अतिदीनं बलहीनं हे गोविंद हे गोपाल 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Completes 5.
Yes, you finished whatever you've given and only one more pending.
One
Shambhu.
more pending.
Shambhu,
That's-
Shambhu.
Shambhu, I have to give you the meaning first, no?
Yes.
Okay.
No, we listened to Swamiji's voice first since we're in the mood of listening to your. Then he give us the meaning.
I'll give you the song. Okay, fine.
Ah,
Just one moment. Let me have a sip of water and come.
sure, sure, Swamiji.
So, Hey Shambhu, Ho Shambhu, I'll sing in Kannada Ragam. Okay. So this is how Swamiji put it first. And
Yeah.
later on, in 1990, Maharajapuram Santanam, the popular singer, he put it in Revati. So until in Revati, when he put it, then there are some words, which denote dance in this. Dimit kita
Yeah.
tikatom, like that it comes.
So he wanted to put it in Revati. And then after he put it in Revati, then it became a dance popular song. So it became like something like, it became a very popular song. So popular, I cannot tell you how popular it became. Just everybody sings that. Every Nadaswaram Wala on the street also, he also sings, plays that song. So there was one Nadaswaram Wala I met in some wedding in Chennai. I just heard when he was singing, I heard it from close quarters. Then he was observing me and he's singing, he was doing still better, trying to play still better. Then when I went and told him, do you know whose this song is? So, do you know what song is this? He said, yeah, I know, Bho Shambhu. I said, do you know who has composed it? He said, no, I don't know. And I said, how did you come to know this song? He said, it's a very popular, everybody sings. So I picked up. Then I told him, Maharajapuram Santanam has sung that song. Have you heard it? So he said, yeah, I heard it. But do you know who has written that song? I asked him. So he said, I don't know, sir. And I told him it is my teacher who has written this song. And I told him about Swamiji. You know what he did? He just kept that Nadaswaram there, did Namaskar and went and sat down. He likes that song so much. So it became popular afterwards. But still we, some of our old students, we still like this Darbari Kannada Ragam. I mean Kannada Ragam. Not Darbari, Kannada Ragam. Kannada
That's
Ragam,
nice,
which
more original.
originally... So I'll sing it first in this. Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Mamava Bhavasagar Tarak Mamava Bhavasagar Tarak Mamava Bhavasagar Tarak Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa 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 Nirguna
Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Nata Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Nata Anadatisya Akshayalinga Anadatisya Akshayalinga Anadatisya Akshayalinga Anadatisya Akshayalinga Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Dimita dimita dimi dimi kita kita tom 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 tari kita kita tom dimita dimita dimi dimi kita tom 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 tari kita tom matanga muni varavandita isha sarva digambara veshtita vesha matanga muni varavandita isha sarva digambara veshtita vesha nitya niranjana nritya natesha nitya niranjana nritya natesha nitya niranjana nritya Natesha, Isha Sarvesha, Sabesha, Matanga Munivara Vandita Isha, Sarvadigambara Veshtita Vesha, Matanga Munivara Vandita Isha, Sarvadigambara Veshtita Vesha, Nitya Niranjana, Nritya Natesha, Nitya Niranjana, Nritya Natesha, Isha Sarvesha, Sabesha, Bho Shambho. Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Om Shiva.
Very nice, Swamiji. Everything.
என்னாச்சு மெடிடேஷன்ல போயிட்டீங்களா எல்லாரும்?
அதேதான். This tune only goes for that. That's why this the original is the best.
That is why this tune was designed like that. And then another thing is there is also a piteous cry, you know. There is the piteous cry from the devotee. He says, Ma Gangadhara. Gangadhara is he's keeping Ganga on his head, and Ganga stands for knowledge. So he has got all the knowledge, and it's only knowledge that can liberate me. Nothing else can make me free. Why? Because I'm already free. So since I'm already free, but I don't know. So therefore that ignorance, I don't know, that ignorance has to go away only when I bring the opposite of it, knowledge. That is why Gangadhara. So that's why we are calling him Gangadhara. Ganga means knowledge. The knowledge, the flow of knowledge has to dispel my ignorance. Gangadhara, Shankara, Karunakara. Shankara also is. Shankara means the one who does all auspicious for me. So the Atma Vidya is the only one. Atma, the knowledge of Atma, that alone is the auspicious thing. Moksha alone is auspicious. Nothing is auspicious in this samsara because things will come and things will go. Things will come and things will go. And when they come, sometimes they bring happiness. Suppose if dukkha comes, then it doesn't bring happiness. Sukha comes, then it brings happiness. But that sukha also is not long lasting. It goes away. And when it goes away, it makes me sad again. So therefore, sukha or dukkha, whatever, any experience, any experiential happiness or experiential joy which comes and goes is not considered as shubham because it goes away. So all these things, they come and go away. So therefore there is only one thing that is shubham. Shubham is what? Shubham is Atma, knowledge of Atma, that I am free and I am always free. Earlier also I was free, now also I will be free. Now also I am free, and once you get the clarity, then also you are free. And nobody can ever bind you after that. Nobody can bind you. So therefore we go for this, therefore we call him Shankara. Shankara, and then he's Karunakara. The Karunakara, you are appealing for his, you are appealing to his sense of mercy. Please take mercy on me. Rid me of this samsara. There is a lot of suffering here, oh Lord. There is a lot of suffering here. Please, please, please make me leave all this suffering. Please get rid of this suffering. So that is why you have to say Karunakara. That Karunakara also, there also that this particular raga, no, it works exactly in bringing out your cry. The cry has to be very effective. That is what actually is the most effective thing in a bhajan. In music, it is always like that. Your devotion and your cry, your helplessness, your pain should come out. And the more flexible your throat is, the better it is. So my throat is not flexible, but there are so many others who are very, very, very flexible, and they can sing this song, but somehow this song has gone into the oblivion because of the other tune, Revati Ragam, the dance Ragam. Anyway, so this tune is still good. Wherever I go, I always sing this tune only. I don't sing the other one, although other one also I can sing, but I don't, in my own place, I sing it. In different mood when then I sing that other tune also. Not that it is a bad tune, it's also a very good tune. It's a masterpiece. But this one is just excellent. It exceeds everything. It outdoes all the other tunes. So beautiful it is. Gangadhara, Shankara, Karunakara. You have to bring your emotion out of it. Gangadhara, Shankara, Karunakara. Gangadhara, Shankara, Karunakara. See, makes it very effective. Then the other one, next line, Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka. I've got only 3 minutes. Mamava, protect me, O Lord. Mamava, before it is too late, protect me. I've got only 3 minutes. So, Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka. So, please protect me. Mam Ava. Ava is a very familiar word with all of you, I think, because we all say that very often. Sahana Avatu, So, Avatu, Saha, now Avatu. Avatu means may you protect. Avatu means may we be protected, both of us. Sahana avatu. Here ava means may you protect. Mam ava, protect me. Mam ava bhavasagara tarak. Mam ava bhavasagara tarak. You can pack emotion in this. Such a beautiful ragam it is. Then he goes further to describe the Lord himself. Nirguna, he addresses the Lord there. So who is, and he describes him. So Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. So he is actually formless. Formless, no attributes, free from all attributes, free from all forms. So all the attributes and forms are only there for objects, created objects. Those objects can be, they all come into your purview. They are all born and then they are there for some time and they go away. Any object is like that. Only Nirguna, the consciousness, formless consciousness, from where all the entire world comes, world of objects, all the objects come, that consciousness is Nirgunam, attribute free. So Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. You are the Parabrahma, you are the truth. You are the truth. I don't want to use supreme and all that, because supreme and all that we use for adjectives. I mean, supreme we use for objects. So therefore, I just want to say it is truth. There is nothing that exceeds it. There is nothing that can outdo it. So Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. And he is what? He is free from coming and going. What is coming and going? Coming and going is samsara. Gama, agama. Gama, agama. Gama means jana. Agama means ana. Ana, jana. Ana, jana. Coming and going. Coming and going. This is the samsara. And we don't know what is true or whatever it is. What is true, what is not true, we don't know. There was some song was there, Vandavanai Kata, Chendruvedi Endran, Chendruvanai Kata, Vandavadi Endran. So they also don't know. They are all confused. So everybody is confused about this. So therefore, I don't want this coming and going. I want to be at peace. Gama Gama Bhuta. Prapancha. Prapancha is the samsara. Prapancha means that which comes from the 5 elements. And once it comes, it stays till the Lord himself, thinks of dissolving it. Till the Lord himself thinks of resolving it. He has to withdraw the whole creation. He has to collapse the creation. Till he collapses, till that time it goes on. So that is this prapancham. It is there for a long time. It is not like your thing that you made and I made. We made some object, created some object, and that got destroyed and that got perished in time. Not like that. This prapancha is what it will perish only when the Lord collapses. So Parabrahma Swarupam Nirguna Prapancha Rahita. He is without that prapancha. In consciousness there is no prapancha. In consciousness there is no world. In Brahma there is no world. For Brahma there is no world. So all the worlds are in it, but Brahma is free from all the worlds. Brahma is free from all the world. You are also free from, you play so many roles, but you are free from all those roles. You are not the role all the time. You play the role of a sister, mother, father, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, then friend, employer, employee, boss. All these roles you all play, but you can get out of the roles very quickly because you are not that role. So you are also prapancha rahita, really. So that is what we want to know. That is why we are asking for that knowledge from him. So therefore, he is the only one who can make us free from this coming and going, sukha and dukkha and all that. He is the only one who can make us free from all these things that come and go, all the transient things. And so therefore, prapancha rahita he is. And so therefore, I worship him. And where is he? He is nija guha nihita. In my own buddhi guha, he shines as I. I'll quickly go through this particular verse. Next one we'll continue afterward. Nija guha nihita and nitanta ananda. Ananda, he is ananta. He's always of the nature of being limitless. Okay, he is always of the nature of being limitless. He is also absolute. He is the absolute truth, and he is also free from all this coming and going transient world. He is incomparable. Nija guha nihita nitanta ananda. Ananda Atishaya. Atishaya is incomparable. Atishaya means he cannot be surpassed. His Ananda or his nature cannot be surpassed, which is actually you also. His nature cannot be negated. So therefore, it is Atishaya Ananda, and then it is Akshaya Linga. Akshaya Linga means he gives infinite. He is always infinite. He does not decline. He is not subject to getting declined. He is not declining. He is not subject to perish. He can't perish. And so therefore, Akshaya Linga, you abide in my heart. Okay, you are there in my heart, O Lord. Then he goes with that Nitya, Dimitta. We will talk about that afterwards in the next class. Okay, but Swamiji made it because he wanted to bring out somebody was asking him a question on the dance of Shiva and all that, Nataraja and all. So he said that actually shows the moment the dance starts, creation becomes manifest, creation becomes live. And so then once it becomes live, then all the dance starts, So for us also it is like that. Once we come here, then we have to go through all the Rani Gazu, a lot of gadbad we have to go through. So that is what it is showing. So that's the nature of the Lord. Dimitta mikita kitatom, tom tadikita kitatom. Matanga Munivara Vandita Isha. Okay, so we'll see all this in the next class. Okay, I've given you the tune today. I hope you all like this tune. For me, I like this tune the best, really. The best, one of the best songs. In fact, every song of Swamiji is outstanding. The one he composed more recently, Mahalinga Vibho. It's a fantastic song, really. It is tuned in Shivaranjani Raga, and he got that song while he was traveling. He got that thing. So like that, there are very beautiful, and he never sat to compose or anything. He just got it. That's it. So that shows, that when your ahankara is not, when the ahankara is not active, that time, all these revelations, they come. Ahankara is quiet, that time all the revelations come. For everybody, it is like that. For you also. Suppose you try to compose a verse or something like that, the verse will come. If you tune yourself to the infinite intelligence, that is Ma Saraswati reveals it. Ma Saraswati reveals it and your intellect catches it. When your intellect catches it, your ahankara is not active. Your ahankara is quiet. Here also, when you are doing Shravanam in the class, that time also, your ahankara is quiet. So that is why, you know, the appreciation is very prominent at this time. So like that, so these songs also, like the song revealed to himself like that. It revealed itself to him like that. I asked him, how did you get this Mahalinga Vibho? And he said, well, that's how actually, that's the time when he told me, because, you know, I have studied with him. So he told me the Ahankara has to resolve. When it resolves, when it is not playing, when it is not showing its dance and play, then that time the intellect picks up the knowledge. So it was a beautiful thing for me. It was a great revelation for me. Then I also discovered subsequently that it is true. When the Ahankara does not come, then all best things come out of you. When the Ahankara comes, then everything gets diluted or polluted or whatever. So that's how the whole thing is. So we'll do this next time. Next class we'll do. Okay? Right? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. I'll do the prayer first. Then if you have something to say, you can say. You can unmute yourself and say. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavachichyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you, thank you.
Only thank you.
Eh? Sorry?
Swamiji, you know, only thank you தான் சொல்றாங்க.
இல்ல அதுக்கு மேல சொல்லலாம், but thank you.
அதான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன்றாங்க.
Because it is brief, you know, briefly it conveys everything. It conveys your gratitude. It conveys your gratitude. Some people say, I'm grateful. They say like that. So some people say, I'm very grateful. I'm very happy. You make me happy. The song makes me happy, or your class makes me happy. They say that. But that is only when in a detail, in a personal one-to-one conversation. So when you are online and all that, it suits us to say thank you. It conveys my heart, you know. So thank you is good enough. If it is more, it is still better. But it is good.
Yeah.
This is good.
We are enjoying it, Swamiji.
Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. That's
Om
good.
Namah Shivaya. Thank you so much.
Swamiji, thank you for
Okay.
the beautiful